How to contact support or chat with your driver in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and you will see the Help Center under the General section. Tap on it. From there, you can select the issue you are facing and Grab will either provide solutions or connect you with the support agent. Grab support can assist with ride problems, payment issues, lost items, and more. To chat with your driver, select your current ride, or you can choose from a previous ride found in the Activity tab on the home screen. Once you have chosen the ride, you will see options to either chat with your driver or contact Grab support. To chat with your driver, simply tap the chat button and you can send a direct message for any concerns or question. Additionally, if you'd rather speak to your driver directly, you can use the call driver option to make a quick phone call. This will allow you to call your driver for any urgent matters. And that's it. Now you know how to contact support or chat with your driver in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.